Okay, students, it's the second exercise in the past perfect tense. Take the page number 25, exercise number 2. Let's go to the class. Donnez la cause des situations suivantes en utilisant le plus que parfait. Give the cause of the following situation using past perfect tense. You know it well how to format past perfect tense. Past perfect tense is formed by using the past continuous tense of the auxiliary avoir or être with the past participle. Past perfect tense uses the same in French as in English and expresses a past action completed prior to another past action. Okay, we have already seen past perfect tense combined with the past continuous tense. Okay, we will do that model in this exercise. They have given one example. Lalita avait mal au ventre. This sentence as conjugated in the past continuous tense. In the next sentence we will do in the past perfect tense. Okay, they have given a verb between the bracket manger. Through it's a adverb. Okay, in the example they have used a conjunction to combine two sentences into only one sentence. What is that? Parce que. It's a parce que. Parce que means because it's a conjunction. We must use this conjunction for all the sentence in this exercise. Okay, listen here. Lalita avait mal au ventre. Lalita had stomachache. Lalita had stomachache. You raise the question. Why Lalita had stomachache? Pourquoi Lalita avait mal au ventre? Pourquoi mean why? Parce qu'elle avait trop mangé. Parce qu'elle avait trop mangé. Because she had eaten too much. Okay. Lalita is a third person feminine. You will replace Lalita by elle. Okay, because it's a third person feminine singular. Okay, and Lalita avait mal au ventre parce qu'elle avait trop mangé. Lalita had stomachache because she had eaten too much. First sentence, un enfant pleurait perdre son chien. First sentence is conjugated in the past continuous tense. A child was crying. And the second sentence we will do in the past perfect tense. Which auxiliary we should use to conjugate perdre verb in the past perfect tense? Avoir, auxiliary avoir. What is the past participle of perdre? Perdu. It's the third group regular type. We'll drop re and you should put u. Okay. Okay, listen here. Why? Child was crying. Because pourquoi un enfant pleurait? Parce que. After the parce que starts with the il or l. You should remove e and put apostrophe. Il. Parce qu'il avait. Parce qu'il avait perdu son chien. Okay. And enfant is the third person masculine singular. So I put il. Child was crying because she had lost his dog. Okay, she had lost his dog. And the second sentence, Parthiban a reçu une contravention. Parthiban got a contravention. Conduire trop vite. Conduire trop vite. To drive too fast. To drive too fast. What is the contravention? Contravention, for example, if you drive without helmet, the police will punish you with a fine. An offense that the laws punish with a fine. It is called contravention. Okay? Parthiban got a contravention. Why Parthiban got a contravention? Because he had drove too fast. Parce que il. Parthiban is a third person, masculine singular. So I put il. Parce qu'il avait conduit. What is the past participle of conduit? Conduit. Parce qu'il avait conduit trop vite. Parthiban got a contravention because he had drove too fast. And the third sentence, mes petits frères ont eu mal aux dents. My little brothers had teeth. My little brothers had teeth. Pourquoi they had teeth? Because manger trop de bonbons. To eat too much candy. To eat too much candy. What is the past participle of manger? Manger. We'll drop er and add e accent aigu. Which auxiliary we are going to use? Auxiliary avoir. Okay. Okay, listen here. Parce que mes frères. Mes petits frères. Frères is the third person masculine plural, so you put il. Il avait mangé. Il avait mangé trop de bonbons. Trop de bonbons. Okay. Il avait mangé trop de bonbons. My little brothers had teeth because they had eaten too much candy. For sentence, Rahul et Ramesh étaient tristes. Rahul et Ramesh étaient tristes. Rahul and Ramesh were sad. Why they were sad? Because reservoir the mauvaise note to got a bad grades. Okay. What is the past participle of reservoir? Reçu. Which auxiliary we are going to use to conjugate reservoir in the past perfect tense? Auxiliary avoir. Isn't here? Parce que they both are masculine plural. So you put third person masculine plural after the parce que. Parce qu'il avait reçu. Parce qu'il avait reçu mauvaise note. Parce qu'il avait reçu de mauvaise note. Rahul and Ramesh were sad because they had gotten bad grades. They had gotten bad grades. And the last sentence, Tirlok avait mal aux yeux. Tirlok avait mal aux yeux. Tirlok had Isaac. Okay. Tirlok had Isaac. Pourquoi? Why? Because utiliser l'ordinateur trop longtemps. To use the computer for too long. For too long. What is the past participle of utiliser? Utiliser is the first group verb. Which auxiliary we are going to use? Avoir. Okay. Tirlok is a third person masculine singular, so you put il. Okay. Il avait utilisé. Il avait utilisé l'ordinateur. Il avait utilisé l'ordinateur trop longtemps. Trop longtemps. Tirlok avait mal aux yeux parce qu'il avait utilisé l'ordinateur trop longtemps. Tirlok had Isaac because he had used the computer for too long. Okay. Okay, student, listen here. First sentence is an enfant pleurait parce qu'il avait perdu son chien. A child was crying because he had lost his dog. Second sentence, Parthiban a reçu une contravention parce qu'il avait conduit trop vite. Parthiban got a contravention because he had drove too fast. He had drove too fast. Third sentence, mes petits frères ont eu mal aux dents. My little brothers had teeth because parce qu'il avait mangé trop de bonbons, because they had eaten too much candy. Rahul et Ramesh étaient tristes parce qu'il avait reçu mauvaise note. Rahul and Ramesh were sad because they had gotten bad grades. Tirlok avait mal aux yeux. Tirlok had Isaac parce qu'il avait utilisé l'ordinateur trop longtemps, because they had used the computer for too long. Okay, students, let me continue the next exercise.